This 2026 Ram 2500 is brought to you by Twins, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Ram is powered by C.D.J.R four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, intercooled turbo diesel i6 6.7 L408 engine, and has 1 miles. Get behind the wheel of this 2026 Ram 2500. Power, reliability, and value await you. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.